Reporter makes denial of charge that reports have been flavored. Atlanta Constitution, August 10, 1913. J.M. Minar, a reporter, was put on the stand by the defense after the Epps boy left. By him, the defense sought to prove that the boy had talked of Mary Phagan and had not mentioned seeing her on the car. Before he had finished cross-examining him, attorney F.A. Hooper sought to create the impression on the jury that the Georgian, for which Minar works, had instructed him to discover as much news favorable for Leo Frank as possible, and Mr. Arnold entered an objection at once. "Did you go to the Epps home on Sunday afternoon, the day the dead girl's body was found?" was Mr. Arnold's opening question. "Yes," replied Minar. "Did you see George Epps and his sister?" "Yes." "Did you ask them together?" "Yes." "Please state what, if anything, they answered." "The sister said she had last seen Mary Phagan on Thursday, and the boy told he frequently rode to town with her in the mornings," replied the witness. "Did the boy say anything about riding with her on Saturday?" "No." "Did he say he had seen her since Thursday?" "No, nothing at all." "Did he mention the subject at all?" "No." Mr. Hooper here took up the cross-examination. "Don't you work directly under M.D. Clofine, the city editor of the Georgian?" "Yes." "Wasn't he a frequent visitor to the jail to see Frank?" Mr. Arnold leaped to his feet and protested vigorously against this question, and it was ruled out. "Haven't you had directions to get everything possible that is favorable to the defendant?" "No," replied the witness rather hotly. "I certainly have not." "Weren't you under orders when you went out there to aid Frank as much as possible?" "Frank hadn't been mentioned in the case at that time," replied the witness, and he was excused.